Why, hello there, beauties. I just wanted to stop in and make a first official video. Yes, a first official video. A lot of you have asked for me to make a video to show you some different options of styling these wired head wraps. I call them Mami Wraps. And yeah, so I finally got around to doing it. So I'll kind of just explain some tips because it's kind of pretty self-explanatory as you're watching me do it, how to maneuver it around and play around with it to get it to your liking. But there are a few things that I have learned in wearing them that help me to style easy. And one of the things is that it comes wired on one side, and that's intentionally done to make sure that it lies flat down on the head. The wire, when I put it on my head, I make sure that the wire side is down. This is the part that covers up the neck. Y'all know the back of that neck sometimes is looking how it's looking, but this helps it to lay flat. I sometimes press it down to contour the back of my neck to make sure that it lays flat. And guys, it does not go anywhere. One of the other things, I twist only one time. You can twist it multiple times, but it's not necessary to do so. Because it is wired on one side, the other side, when you style it, it tends to, as you see there, behave how it wants to behave. So what I do, I usually will tuck it underneath something that's wired, or I'll flip it and just kind of push it in. It doesn't go anywhere once you put it into place. But yes, just know that when you're styling it, keep that in mind, play around with it, get it to sit how you want it to sit. Another thing to styling it and making it look nice is fluffing it. Like right here, I'm not doing any fluffing. This is just kind of a simple one twist. Then I twist it in the back. I'm sorry I didn't turn around to the back so you can see it, but but fluffing it out. When you style it and you twist it and you play around with it, just fluff the fabric out to see if you like how it looks in that shape. It's always easy, as you can see, to just kind of pull it apart, but just play around with it. Now this here, I think was my favorite style. As you can see, I'm not twisting anything, I'm actually folding. So bending, twisting, folding, and tucking. You see, I'm taking those ends, that end on the side, and I'm just tucking it over on the side. And I'm gonna fix that even more. But you get the general shape of what you want, and then you go back in and you tuck the ends, bend it, and most importantly, you fluff it out to give you the look that you want. Now, if you don't want a fluffy look, then fine. But this is just me. This is how I like to play around with my wrap, and as you can imagine, you're gonna get endless styles. So ladies, tell me what you think about it. Tell me how you're liking it. And listen, if you think these are cute, there are more in my Etsy shop. So head on over, check the link in the bio. They're affordable, fun accessories. They make the best gift. So check it out.